Hey guys, it's Miss Ziegler. I am here today to show you the ins and outs of our OPAC system. So if you find yourself at home or somewhere where you do not have access to me or one of your English teachers that remembers how to get you logged into this system, you can pull this video up and it will give you a refresher. Once you get on the website, you're going to go over here to the top right hand corner and you will log in. Now, I'm not going to log in because I have a different username and password and it gives me administrator privileges, and so my screen's not going to look the same as yours. But if you log on, your username is going to be first initial, last name, the year you graduate. So for instance, A Ziegler 2025. Your password is going to be 1 and the last 4 of your ID. Or if you're new to the district, it'll be 2 in the last 4 of your ID. Okay, so once you get logged on, your screen will still look like this, and you can enter any book that you would like to find. I just want to point a few things out. This What's New carousel right here goes through the last 15 or so books that we have added to our card catalog, and so you can click on the book and learn more about it. This What's Hot, these are going to be our most popular books in the library, and we have everything from graphic novels to romance books, poetry, anything that's checked out in a lot of times in our library will be under the What's Hot. Also, just as a reminder, if you have been wanting to check out my podcast or my blog, they are both right here. It's a great source for you to look and find new books to read, book recommendations. So let's say I want to read Did I Mention I Love You? Which, by the way, if you haven't read it and you like romance books, I highly recommend it. Did I Mention I Love You? Right here by Estelle Mascamy. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and it gives you this area where you can look and see more information about the book. So right here, it's going to be the summary, okay, and then you're also going to find in red, those are going to be the tags. You can also see the reading level, how many AR points it is right there, and if you're having problems finding it, there is a quiz number right over here as well, okay? So if I click Add to Book Bag, that's going to add it to my temporary book bag, which will be your wish list, basically. If I click on Snapshot, this is going to take me to a couple different places. I can click on reviews and read those. I can look at the first chapter. I can look at the cover of the book, the author notes, and so on. Details, this is going to give me the card catalog entry. So this is really good if you are needing to use these things as a source. Okay, and holdings, you can see that it's out and when it is due back. It's due back March 18th, okay? So if I want to reserve it, I'm going to click here for reserve, and you'll get a pop-up message that will tell you what number you are in line. And then I can click out of it right here and go back to this screen. So if you would like help with it, come see me. I'd be happy to walk you through it if you need more help after this tutorial, but hopefully I gave you some good information that you can use to try to figure it out.